onions. I'm going to add a sprinkle of salt and some sugar. Stir. Once it's all mixed, reduce the heat to low and leave it to cook for about 5-6 minutes. Now we've got some soft cheese, about 50 grams. We've got 10 grams of mustard here. Got 1 tablespoon of boiling water, pepper, and some salt. Give it a mix. Got the puff pastry here. 1 centimeter border, so we're just going to get a knife and we're just going to very slightly cut a little border. Oh, I'm not left-handed. Right, little border around the edges there. This is the cream cheese you prepared earlier. And we're just going to spread that across. Spread it across all in the edges. Not in, just within the border that you just lined up. So this is chopped frozen spinach that I've just let defrost. I'm just going to pop that on now. Got some feta cheese here. Break it off, throw it on top. So this is now going to the oven, which we've preheated at 200 degrees fan oven. If it's a conventional oven, then 220 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes. That looks done. Once it's cooled down, enjoy!